Kamashung Kangarong Wivang Lung Sang Da Rai Ngara Yang Gashiping Namuirada Gashiping Namuirada Brohona Kamashunga Kamashunga Kapinga Kapataran Kapataran Nali Jahan Pairala Nali Jahan Pairala Brohona Nawi Tungli Brohona Nawi Tungli Jahan Malay Paira Paira Kamashung Aina Hanglo Kamashung Aina Nali Jahan Pairala Nali Jahan Pairala Verse 3 Ishavana Gazinga na itumli Itumli nga chon mira Jishu na itumli tanda mo kuyu malay mara Itumli tanda Makayu malay mara Kamashung bang varena nali jahan pairala Mashung bang varena Nali jahan pairala Rohona Nawitungli Kajihan Malay Paira Kamashung Aina Hanglu Nalichi Han Paira La
Yari Pamose, please be seated. Siasa say, let us pray. Let us pray. Kazing Clay, itum Saiko Rui Ava, Ning Shinaye, Zimishon Kamatan and the Quirami, the Zinget Kamata, Kami he Telega, very leaning shida, Musot me the lay. Achi Roho, Ukru mission, the Legishi Uncle Ramna. Achi Higata, advance Alagaya Zingum Mirinli Octvis Harala, E Akashida, E. Ukru mission he, I hot nagada, Achi I yuri Akashi the Ishem gada, and the Lungsan Lagaina Awi Ukrundi, Chikatawi, aspiration laylaga, Mangali Muivagida, Kanutot Bingli Young Laga, Itumli Tam Quigabai, Shikui Gabai, Kala energetic Salagaina, Ringjita Claytelaga, Draka Ring Paye, Shava, Novika Pening Jaka, Mikamona, Kika, Masakai Germany. Prohina we can run jaka, Kipana Kika Masami Germany, Chuvang, Aja Dampunghi, Shavana Awivang ne, Legashir Angaram Wivang Nana, run me Gahaya Nejaka, Pro no we look a mission, no we legacy, no we kapaninchi, itumui apam, Ogotihili, Rashung Milo de Hivang Siasaye. Dialagaina Achi, E. Hili Ledekle, Ihun Punli, Iukruli Ledeklea. Richum now Gyaka, Jota, Ringada. Kakanang, poverty we, injustice we, Kyaka, Rinkanga Gajot, later Lakela. Hili ila healing, Shapasanga yeda, Naninga the Klaya, Legishangar Ramli, Pronan the Pasaka Matamilo, Nawi Gazingram we a war, wisdom, Awitungli Chipemilo, Kala Arila, Achi Legishangar Ramwi, campaign Hili, Shiruki Migida Klaya, Angar Legacy Itumwe honorable. Respected honorable MP na pam hili unglaga hida the campaign hili gutomi the clay laga itum traka appreciate sada laye awitungli la pro pasaka mata sang mida achi EU shamgagi the clay hili pro nawi thangkamai nawi lu commission atumuitungli tashung milo the hivang siasai aring ran kaya program sai korehi shawa nawi panglo hor sangai re nawi gapningchi shogruno jeni tum sai korana very we gapning ji hilamu ji tailaka itum the chiwi atishuda pay card a thei kham thei kalamai khia sambang ra da itum no bangli ka chihan hor sang jaw da siyasa da ka po nei pro no wi ka pning shokru no da hui khame shamai wi mingli siyasa da ka po nei amen
ning slagere kuira soyer permrelengli ning slagere ara kito chata ka sauke ari kyangli poliro jara ka mn01x 244 hi sapai ka site ka sa meulu da pongai anara itumui welcome speech hi kuira thanmi ungleng na atam khoi mirano
Tui maksha zangawira ina tui hingte na matuyobi. First of all, I thank God for giving us this good and pleasant time in the political campaign of the 12th constituency of Manipur. Respectable Sri Ramwiva, our NPF candidate, 44 Yukur Assembly constituency, Sri Dr. Roho, Honorable Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha, Sri Vikiho Su, Honorable MLA, Nagaland State, Sri Owangbao Nyumai, Honorable Minister, Environment and Forest Manipur, also the President, NPF MSU, Sri Achumbimo Kikon, Secretary General, NPF Center Kohima, Sir Alan Shaiza, Retired Wing Commander, Sir William, President 44 Yukur Area Unit, Pastor Soyerbam Rereng, Pastor of Mazarung Baptist Church, Catechist Rubin Yangya, Catechist Catholic Church Yukur, Moderator Sir Yamso Hongray, all the NPF dignitaries, unit advisor, unit workers, and all the NPF suborder who present here today. I, on behalf of my Aungdang community and on my own behalf, welcome each and everyone who presents here in this midst, and also wish a very fruitful and a successful campaign for our NPF candidate Sri Ramwiva in this 12th Assembly constituency. I once again thank you and welcome you all in this midst. Thank you.
Next, Tumui ANFOE Chairman Mr. Tan Myung Leng Li, we welcome speech Wang Ningsik Chung of Hong Shokle. Ara introduction he William na Atam Ko Mirano.
Thân mình à, chắc mai thế phải ở trong hướng vang những gì bình thường là đi mitre. Cái trung hợp âm đấy khác party main functionary Nagaland cái đó, em biết xuyên cái đó thì kinh hi đó, cái thế mình cái rồi đi. Đi mitre đó, hôm phun nữa ông à. Ông mari thua awal to na khang ning ka mi ka isu mi candidate honorable candidate na para no mi ki ji kho miao ru na 可肯定的，不干人把家人嘛，啊，我们那的杭米那路呢，杭米那个，可他们的，为了什么 reform working president NPF Central Chairman Election Committee，你说的是，么的，上报，上网，stroke 是这些，阿嘛，这那个。 China, Dr. Loho Poche, Honorable MP Lok Sabha. Thank you, sir. Next is Guru Y. Wiki Ho Su, Honorable MLA, NLA, in charge of Manipur. Thank you, sir. Next is Guru Paul Muidao, Working President MSU. You share it with us. China, Guru Honui Kui Gisung, General Secretary Admin MSU. You share with us. Next is to my cash here, candidate Ram Muiva. You share with us. Next, Anghola Yim, President Central Women Wing Kohima. Thank you, ma'am. Next, Akoli Stacy, General Secretary Central Women Wing Kohima. Thank you, ma'am. Next, Anay Kim, CEC member, NBF Central Kohima. Thank you, ma'am. Kanao sada Atoli Ajumi, Secretary COP, Central Office Kohima. Hirimba magja re MSU way Secretary working forum. Please. You share.
Ning share ara itu mui exhortation hi kuira lan shaiza retired wing commander na mira a hina kai kana thai sangsara kai kana mak thai sangsara a hina lead yang so shaiza we second son Denny we China. Second son Nana. Ara away at them Pimiruno.
The Sarwe Amai Kisteok. Kayashi Kangi Humpun O Angu Now Justical Sting Kuwe Kranau Sean Ferguson Oping Iden to Mamatimere be Sang Clay Sang Racket Idam Limuko Idam Litam Gaika Sigum Hung to Grang the Idam Limapamati Shipai the Air Force and the Sun in India Poetica, retired Saka Utili, Bangalore Saddle Sun. kina achi khangning hi itu mai musonau ping ira respected sarak khai MP ra changraya MLA minister yaina Nagaland aina rak khai party members leader I salute all of you. I'm so grateful that you all came for this. And on behalf of my family, I give you greetings, send you greetings, and God bless. Iwi tangkudiya taraga masyang mukho jana natum, please forgive me. Ka tada mutuit hidrang ka tada geschenke müssen. Achi ina kangcha thaka election ke chunga ther ishawa politician sa side jaina igtora politics chang side na kum ge the election rakha itumna thada traditionally ajaja chi shimku ji phakyo support sare ari sare karui itumna ishina ishishim kuri imang maning mane kaina thadaru introduce saga thiyaura hiri shimpuri ri ishi akato teni hangjik saiza chi naumere kharar homung saiza are changre ishawa akato lungshim saiza chi naumere paisho are azibu hoko are de jaina ishi alakato Dr. Rishing Saiza, Shinaumera, Sorol the Zumbre, Sorol the light, Alipam Yati. Jaina is Tumna sit family meeting kui Jaina in a talk, not in a panning the car. Gum Gichita, election Gichita, support Sari, the candidate right Mushungra, party Mushungra, Itumna. Mujut Quiraka, Achewi candidate, Mr. Ram Muibahi, Ina Kataka, our mission Ukruwi, Laikpa, our personality and our expertise in every field, our track records, and the Sakai, our training, our Katam, us, or in a era I served 30 years in the Indian Air Force. Our mission statement, clarity of thoughts, and the progress we recognize. Ito magsangkreva politics jika kamata he hada ketirinong segment na lekay jaina shangnao kita da way the king how we program for the general development we and the girl in a songai night. China Ajuya Ishi Shimkul Jiga are the full hearted support community. You confidence cry are we track record are we kiri mission Kurikapa Makapapin Tira a Kaka Kem Mikara Kaka experience Kray Mikara Notum Tira. I had an ordinary meaning. I had a vision Kray development Piraraki had a Ishi Iram Ra had a constituency AC44. He Matame Kala can take a dictator and Kerr. I will get him. He can utilize his talent plus his experience and his connections with the bureaucrats in the land, in the center of power, New Delhi. Jankata the way power had through connections and Krasen Minister Risarabai could have a phone, tell he the phone Agasaika. He had a sauce, he had a sauce, Hagis had a gene had a what Kasana, and that this is as I don't know how effective he was. Ham Vijamina, our integrity of Hera, Gyaka on a Sagra, क्या कम था तो वो सागर की चीज़ तो तुमने थे चाहे हिता था मेरी select सारे का मकान सका जोड़े शिमान की ना चाहे ना चू इधर इन अपील साये युवे request है तो तोंग हिरे खराबिंग ना तो तुम था तो हंग वार इसी candidate Ramui Bari Sas Ari Vod Miracle Kansas. Rakai ni doing sex. Saya NPF party ira. Kecam party, Kamata party. Jimam Rai Pemra. Atumna Tada Hang Papari ira. NP more than 60 years in the history by NPF. I mean, it's the right party, the right candidate. Who will bring development to our constituency? Then I'm actually Bangdak and Osarika doing such what Jungain. Her that ultimate victory of Vibrawi Tungite. Then Siasas. Most important, we give glory to God. Vibrari Posa. Kamata candidate he, Yuruno. Jiwe appeared accent. Kato Paishoji America Republic. China the Mungal Matana message Kitino Kamietri. Junish Narco.
Sa và cái tôi mới sẽ xin là ta thấy nó khủng nhau cái
Kaya si Hangi au Funduno, Hangu now, Kui Kara now son, Kurang Sat now being, the Matrida Natum cycle really in the Shimkur with Salami Tele. Inila Kuti size of Hoya, Lady Amuso says of Naumira from our Jaili in the Paishona. As you is if he in Unzangaina, Salara, Ramdana the Pamauki, the Munzan Ratura. Lala de Hale, Tiog Manibu Legislative Assembly Hedi, being a new Sada Kalay, Ojaram Vivali, Kutom Thursday, Kajihi, in a Natum Sai Koruli, Sehaino Kuponi. Inshallah khair.
Ni share wir lunch zali ana pong te te na tum hang thei mi khai wang. Now next may I call upon Dr. Lorho to kindly take your time.
Good morning. It is a great privilege for me to be able to come to Aung Tang of Humpun village. This is a village that I've really looked forward to coming and meeting people, and as I come, I'm so happy that it happens to be an occasion when we are all here to support and give our mandate blessings to Uja Ram Muiva. I'm so happy that the chief of this village, Hampun village, is also in our midst, and I'm happy to meet my old friends, Aceh Boy, Ragui, and also my friend Mr. Maranchan. Maranchan was my classmate, Aceh Boy was my senior, but we worked together. Maybe for the benefit of all, I will speak in Tangkhul. I actually belong to Mao. Even Mao ne, but Mao salala tangkul tuena. Tada sapai ka communicate sauce day hang. Ina itangkul ngala aka kui hau da jovang na tangkul tui katong maning salala tada jungkamai tada teye shaye tada mutui kwai sauce kichini. I prevo hi somdal ramainane ina somdal kachipahi kathada hangai kleje ka awo richum hau hi ukrul petigru na khra tam thran awi disciple sada ukruli ralaga ana varewi sokhami varewi lukhamashan varewi lekashi hi thaida aram lila or miyur Manipur ngaleli miyur khangtei lila thadatam chithei khami wiwangena iram naw bingla ralaga somdal larik tamda somdal wena varewi pau varewi so khami varewi lukhamashan ka ji thailaga athumna iram songda khoiraye chitha haukida tangkhul ngaleli ithumna yengkaka tangkhul ngaleli tangkhul mibingli thada natumli kya si lak hena itumna yengkaka yur akhane kachipachi ina achu hampun wi ramli ralaga hithada kapamatam jili ina hanghngai ne itum hi ili MP akasada natumna leshila khena without party wi affiliation mayengla nak tum katong awe katom khami paji I thailaga ning lumlake ring phalake kachipaji ina hangaya I atam chili na thumna khiwain ili vote mi khle I mau now saje na maning malipai I NPF na khangning wi wangla maning malipai but na thumna khami paji isa chali kasachawi yurli le shida khamine kachichi ina khuye mai chia tamchili issue problem tra khashoke kuki naga or khangtai chikathala shoke but natumna ili vote khamihi ina ka khuiliwa it is across party lines natumna khamihi because yurli le shida icha chawi future pahi settle house icha chawi settle pahi future pahi yenkalaga hili support salaga mandate miao se khachu wangena ili vote mi kachipaji ina khuye ning silake ukhul ngaleli iwi campaign how kupo kathane jetam jili after immediate launching in Sanapati thada ukhulika laga nathum ngaleli rakachangji ring phalake shinaw long wi golden jubilee khle tamli kamjong songne kumram hoda khuakhle ima walak rang sai bachili la ili chingrada ramilo choda ili opportunity ak samphang laga chili khawa tam thran tangkhul shinaw bingnala khu kachi wena katong wena ra laga chili kazipta sa tam thran athumna ili blessing nathumna azak mai thai milaga ili support sara da nathamgui khui khai ju wangena tangkhul ngalei katong aliung sunge kachipaji ina khuye jena ning silake ring phalake tangkhul pahili miyur khangtei na yeng ka ser de le kachipaji in hangaye mai mi chunghau da district akhal wi mi sao ke da marak li mi akha khani li mina as maring ka phala le la pai but the fact that tangkhul ngaleli God's grace came first to be spread into the land of Manipur kachipahia malai ase kachipaji ina nathumli hangai chitha hau kida tangkhul ngaleli than khamia mi binglila mina na varena somilaga etum chailila shok sake ukhul wenala hiwi ram wenala Manipur wi chief minister kasa oja yang musosh haija awi now miara la achu itum marakli chang haire ring phalake hit hada varena somikai kachipachi achu athumui family henala chang laga yur katong ali ukhru mi katong ali yur katong ali isi naga katong ali manipur katong ali chithada than khami pachi mamalaya se very we so kami hi apam hilil le ka chang kho ka chipachi in hangai chithau kida achu ili MPA ka sao the ili MPF we candidate being we kapang khawai committee li ili chairman sa da sangmi in a hange iwi election atamjli wa partyless. It was across party lines. Tada sao kida ili achu chairman sangmi ka ili support sami da khle party khangtai ga thai bing jinala maring phagi jika party with ticket kapola mila chunghau kida chu marakli mi katong li mi kapai maning sathuda mia khali kapang hai ka masang kapang bing nala maring phagi jiao ga da ili masang milo cho da ina party li poe but athumna hangji party we principal party we khangcha kacha tui mong hai nala nana chitha sa phungra da hanghau ki da ila siyasa laga sai party li ticket kapo mi bing hi apam hi ukrul 44 we nala mi tra kharai khrabing chi kaphas sere mi akla o hi pai hi ne da khet khawai male mane you na le shi mi da khle sere but mi ka tong ali wa ma mirror to the ma mi pai to the akha mang kapang le ji ura uja ramui wali ta khai ne chi thada constituency khangtai lila ithumna mi thra kapang laga achui NPF ticket hi mi ithumna chi thada kapang khai atamji ka thada I winning li ra chikle cheka khareli 2012 li mi thra da khakni kapang laga contest sai mina problem chi atam chili problem da tra le hau gi da mi matimang election laga MLA sa sai 2017 lila to naga peace talk hi chatle sadle itum na khibage na NPF Manipur li khura kle cheka so that we will be a binding force so that Manipur and Nagaland naga yur kachipahi so that we will all stand together and support this one issue for the common cause of the Naga people. Jithada salaga sai. But he katha negotiation table pachili Ravina hange kachipachi ngana laga shalaga ning sazula kaijo. You have the issue, but you don't have people. You have only 4 MLAs in Manipur. The hangai chitui chalaga ning sazulake. Itum naga mibing itum kachi katawi future sakavai itum sadalekla. Are we going in for various other things other than supporting our own issue? Kachipachi ina ngahan kangaine. Many people mikachungana developmentally, mikachungana paisali, mikachungana maybe other issues. Sometimes some of our own leaders have not lived up to the expectation of the people. Jiuvanganala tada support masanga to the jithada lay kachipachi in a thaye. But this one time in a Yaruili appeal sa khangaiwa 2022 election hi arwewa zimicho mati mang campaign atamle phanga thangwan chuba itum katong achi vote sanghaura. Let this 2022 election be a year when all of the 10 candidates become winners. Winnable candidate mang itum nakapange. You may like or may not like, but ichacha we issue naga we issue pahi lay kachipaji thai laga naga we issue pahi for one last time support salaga hili 10 out of 10 hi sampangaya ka Indian government nala itumli there will be no place for us for them to put down our issue anymore. 25 years of negotiation has gone by. 7 years since the framework agreement has been signed. Arua yengda, shall we present to the government of India that we still have only 4 MLAs or even less? Are we not supporting? Support sa rum ser house itum we candidate pa hi lingka laga let him continue to carry forward the banner of the Naga issue. Kok party paji, it is more than 63 years old, the Hangdale. So let us support, let us give our one-time support, and then Ishachawi, your issue, our issue, let him carry forward so that the party will be able to give our best support to our negotiators so that the government of India will also know that the issue is not only with the other people, but the people are with the issue, and the people are here to support, and we are here looking forward that God will continue to be gracious to us. Varena itumli lumashan miruno tangkul ngalei wena Manipurli vare we look mashan paji rasang da itum yu katong ali yao kakane. Likewise, everybody is looking up to Ukrul tangkul yur pahili yen kadak le kale yur ne kachipaji thay laga natumbi support natumbi vote natumbi khankami laga arui uja alan hangai thada. He is the best person in the best party, and that let him continue to carry forward. I know there are various other candidates. You ngasot now mangne you brother-in-law ngasot now being with now in-laws being mangne. And then I know that they are also very good and dynamic, but they are in the wrong parties. And so I appeal to you that you will support once again. And whatever Ukrul does, people from elsewhere will also see, and then they'll carry forward this, the mandate that you give, so that our land will now live in peace, in harmony. Development will come, and that God will continue to do his work in bringing peace and tranquility in our area. All the best, my friend, Mr. Ram Moiva. And as you support, let us see to it that there will be no violence, it will be free and fair, and that people will know that NPF, the Naga People's Front, is a principled party. It is a party built up on the principles of the scripture, the Christ, and that we will continue to live to glorify God. Thank you very much, and let Ukrul do its best, and Ukrul bring glory to God. Thank you, and Kuk Nalim.
Nishlagere itu mui kiasi kami Dr. Lorho na tarakai na mutui sang miwang nisi chungka pongchok le. In a sequencing we make kind of in a name for you amik na ko. Ara itu mui candidate kiasi kami candidate Ramui wali atam midle.
Nishlagere issue we moderator, master of ceremony. We make up the Humpun we clash by lag higher Aunga we Akato Colorate we Aunga Salsa Itao HA Horingam Ajing Tor Aunga he it Marathon Tore Sali Itoga Hapuno Leota Jana Ita Horingamli Ningshi Kachunga Pongchok Tele Kala Humpun we Hambu Naupingli you were in a pa you Mang her Ningshi Drang Sok Tele Itum Nata the Swirak Yatu Rahili Natumna Atan to Baina Itumli welcome Sahami Wang support Sahami Wang Katompi Wang Nishi the Maramane Kala Ari Mangali Matuni Haya Kayashi Paya Dr. Lorho S. Jose Ishui Honorable Member of Parliament, Kala our Chairman Selection Committee Sasaye, Juvan Alining Shilamaramane, Kala Anna, Iram, Avoram Duena, Tanhu Duena, Speech Talagan Mere, J. Stampolaina, Idilana, Tammy them to the late Tanhudui, the Dr. Loholining Shilamaramane. I may have to speak in bilingual, maybe English and Tanhul Port. and our respected friend from Nagaland, Mr. Achum Bemo Kikon, Secretary General, NPF Central Kohima. Thank you so much, Mr. Achum Bemo, for coming all the way from Kohima to Ukhrul, not only to lend moral but physical support to me. I have come to know Mr. Achum Bemo is like a dynamite. He may be short stature, but he is a dynamite, a kind of Napoleon. Thank you, Mr. Achum Bemo. And respected Mr. Y. Wikiho Su, Honorable MLA, Nagaland, and also in charge of Manipur State of NPF, and the leader of campaign for Ukhrul. Thank you so much, sir, Mr. Wikiho, for coming to Ukhrul, not only to lend your moral but physical support to me. I believe Mr. Wikiho is not only a politician, successful politician, but he is also successful entrepreneur. And your team, Mrs. Anay Kamling, thank you so much. And also Ms. Yan Hola, the President of Central Women Wing, and also Ms. Hetoli, Secretary COP, and all your colleagues. Thank you so much for coming to Ukhrul all the way from Kohima to lend not only moral but physical support. Thank you so much. And also, Honorable Minister of Forest, Mr. Awang Pao Nyumei, the President of Manipur NPF. And he is also a candidate in Tamil. I don't know how he managed to come all the way from Tamil to Ukhrul. I personally want to, express my deep gratitude to Mr. Awang Pao for his gesture. Despite his hectic ministerial work and also the campaign trail in Tamai, he managed to come all the way to Ukhrul, not only to lend moral but physical support. I deeply, deeply appreciate. Thank you so much, sir. Kala legacy Amay Alan Shaiza, retired Wing Commander, Kala Awi Sinawara Saikor, moral support mang maningla, ili physical support Saturday Tadagra Hai, Ache Alan Shaiza Lening Shilamaramane, Yarui Kutong Tadale, Ahi late Yang Maso Shaiza we second Sunday, Kala an Iu Maram Lilam Talang Matu Mere. Ni shila marar mane kala awi chinawara ari honmong saiza athang mere a chaiteni wi naw mere ne kala asebu saiza ari late ocha lungsim saiza wi naw mere kala sorin saiza hila Dr. Rishing saiza medical director saksa Nagaland, which I am so we third brother, the assist down like Tonga Krawivang, Kala Ili, not only moral support, but physical support, Kala Ili Katom Hivang, Inish Lage, Mamlaira Lagmare. I would like to say in English about little bit about the late Yamaso Shaiza's family. We thankful consider the Shaiza's family like a royalty. Their grandfather, Babu Shangyan Shaiza, was the first revenue officer among the tribals in Manipur during colonial period. And his son, Yangso Shaiza, was one of the second graduates in Manipur Hill area. The first one was Major Bob Kating, 1939 from Cotton College. Our late Yangso Shaiza, together with Mr. Shankar Singh and W. Shaiza, they graduated in 1940 from, I think, Scottish College in Kolkata. We consider them like a royalty because they are, a unique family. They are known throughout Manipur for their large-heartedness. Today, their son, their nephews, the grandson, they have all come to this Rishing Hall, not only to lend moral but as physical support. I can never forget, I cannot express my gratitude. There is no adequate words how grateful I am. I deeply, deeply appreciate the gesture. Thank you so much. Kala Itao Samuel Rison, Working President, Central Kohima, Kala Chairman, Election Committee, Nishinakere Itao Samuel Rison Lila, Kala Itao Munao Sang, President NBF Division, Itao William, President 44 Ukhrul Area Unit, Jain Itao Tan Mei Ungleng, Chairman ANFO, Jaina Ukhrulwi Yaugahoma, Mexelungwi Yaugahoma, Pastor Soyarpam Releng, Nishinaire Nana, Sialam Talang Sakbiwang Nishinamaramane, Kala Yaugahoma, Ketikis Pupen Yangya, Ali Lening Shilage, Jan Itao Maranjan Lukham, retired IS officer, Ali Tum Alipom Midale, Nishilamaramane, Ana Iwi, Star Campaigner Saghaine, Chief Star Campaigner, Chuvang Ali Ningsing, Chung Pongshok Tele. Jan Ishiwi Elder Forum, we convener, Ame Jambam Sariao, Kala Ame Heche Unaupam, China Ame Artex, China Waja Frankie, China Ame Umoso Kosomo, Kala Itao Heche Varesang, Kiashik by ATC members out, China Legacy, Aung Tangwe, Kala Humpunwe, Ishawa Ishawangra, Ishame Ishajongra, Isara Ikutongra, Saikor, Inatumli, they make up the Akalat, Lalushida, Nishna, Hede, Hankangaine. Hita the itum the Yautu Krahili, Matan to Tubaina, Ili, Kala Iling Yukra, issue Endoras Taikorali, welcome Sahmi Wang, Nishil Maramane, not to me support Kala Cooperation Kami Wang, the Inishil Maramane. Let me say a few words about Ukhrul, those who are not familiar. Ukhrul is, I consider, Jerusalem of Manipur, because the first school in the Manipur Hill area was established in Ukhrul, 1896, 11 February. And the first church was also born in Ukhrul. The Phungyo Baptist Church was established in 1901. And surprisingly, maybe by divine arrangement, when William Pettigrew landed in Ukhrul 1896, he was ordered by the political agent and the Maharaja of Manipur that only Tangkhul people should be evangelized, only Tangkhul people should be educated. I don't know how such order was issued, but that was a fact. Only in 1917, when Manipur Maharaja had to recruit 2,000 labor corps for the France, Ukhrul people volunteered 1,200. The Maharaja was so grateful to William Pettigrew, he was allowed to evangelize the rest of the Manipur Hill area in 1917. So for about 20 years, Ukhrul was the only place in the whole of Manipur Hill area who were educated, who were given imparted education, and also who were evangelized. Only in 1917, the mission headquarters was moved to Kambokpi, more centrally located place. That is why sometime I thought Ukhrul is the Jerusalem of Manipur, being the birthplace of Christianity. Incidentally, Ukhrul was also the first Indian town captured by the Japanese on 27 March 1944 after a very fierce battle. Thereafter, the Japanese 30 and the 15th Division, they marched forward to Kohima, and I think Kohima was occupied on 7 April, 1 month after Ukhrul, and they remained in Kohima and Ukhrul, Japanese soldiers, till 8 July 1944. There are a few significant other things. The only two tribal chief ministers of Manipur happened to be from Ukhrul district, Yang Maso Shaiza in 1974 and Mr. Shankar Singh in the late 1980s. And the first graduate of Manipur Hill area, Major Pop Cutting, happened to be from Ukhrul. And it was one of the Tangkhul tribe men, Major Pop Shaiza, who occupied one of the most beautiful corner of India, Tawang, on 6 February 1951. So I thought that my friend from Nagaland, they may like to know a little bit about Ukhrul. Very sadly, Ukhrul, the Jerusalem of Manipur, who produced 2 chief ministers, have been denied cabinet posts for the last 20 years. In terms of infrastructure, Ukhrul is like a slum. I remember when I was in college, Ukhrul was much bigger than Kentok and the Itanagar. Today, Kentok and Itanagar is 20 times the size of Ukhrul, simply because Sikkim, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Itanagar, Arunachal, they all got state. Imagine the situation of Manipur tribal area. Forget about statehood. We are not even getting the 6th schedule in this 21st century. May I recall, in 1950, much before I was born, the Constituent Assembly subcommittee came to Kohima. Our leader, Mr. Pizzo, was offered 6th schedule in 1950. Our leader Pizzo felt insulted because he is considered too small. But today, our fate Manipur tribals were not even getting the 6th schedule. Now, let me seek the indulgence of our non-Tangkhul friends. Let me say a few words in Tangkhul for the convenience of everybody. Ya thang iwi salutation jali kya sipaila khaya aje sirar kuili mahang thore aje sirar kuila itumuling sobam dele I he Chairman MPFW advisor ne ali learning sik chung phongsok dele isingra ina rising holy kra hi ajin ka khnia shine I October la aung ame kharar sari mea sangta heli meeting sak sigai nei ina chili khang tikroping je iti pin thali mere atam sang khwai kha achi na na thumli share sangai la khai khani thumle tele ji share sage the makeup the ina ka tha the Manipur hang wishim changai hau ina thumli ning thain hange iwa le ma mangli ti shen kui papa la ka kramaning mane iwi personal benefit wang kramaning mane kha ina shaire avuramui ke chot aranao ramai no ping ke chot lui khwano ping ke chot khanga gau ji shaire jowang I avuramli bottom thagi da kharani ina morai phunglak salala ina Manipur hang wishim le sangi ji hi kala ina yu mirinli major step ka khuji thran iwa vivrali siyasai morai phunglak salala vivrawi thangmet wisdom vivrawi guidance chitsa khami ji po la bi kong nei iling so now ping na emily sang phai tra hangai ni cha tamli Mumbai li private company li what offer side sai Manipur government la India sarkar na le ili post retirement what pam tra oversight ka I winningly realization akrai a sense of mission to transform Avuram kalu Ukhrul the Jerusalem of Manipur itum ka tha da hiak Shida Chota Octua Holosi. Itumli Don Mate Octusa Nefa Bingina. Stay with Sambang Laga. Kum Khali, Government of India were in a central plan assistant 14,000 crores among Jing the lady. Arunachal population is 14 lakh mang money. 14 lakh the 14,000 crore me the lady. Taka 1 lakh population 1,000 crores among the lady. Sikkim population is 6 lakh mang money. Atumna Sambang the Clahi. Kum Gachida 3,000 crore. Chitaka me lakh akhan 1,000 crore samanga ishi Tangkhul 2 lakh population kya samang dele 100 crore makamane. Aji itu me khonai no ping na stay hu samang sir daka itu Manipur phung no ping ba 6 schedule ne masang phang hi kya kha ka chot wat khalak jinda psycho ri chung chelaga ila as a proud Tangkhul, responsible Tangkhul, iwi what ngru le sang dale te ka phaning nei avuram simka si jag itum ka chi buwi what ngru te it is our moral responsibility ki da de jang shepsi tuli jo wangai na ila in a 35 years IS officer ak sada iwi ka teo ka thei thang khame exposure network friendship ka tong ji iwo sichin la ka avuram li la iwi what can do contribution minga ye te ichu wang decision ka phine in a sak ngai vision ji mararang la ka na thumli thakwi ngai khini thumlei dele kachig tha na election propaganda sada delimitation of itra kamati satale ukhul sak hayau le baida I ji masalak mare ukhului humbomui integrity na thumui wishes ji iwa respect sare na thumui ninga chang ji iwa sami ra ji ne na thum maning ga chang wa ji im sami lak mare ga ji ire me kap ta hangai chili lang da delimitation hi ba in thumai da chung ji da khale de I politician sare no ma sare no democracy is a rule of majority ne ji tha ga ithum MLA mam tai na kang saksila Manipur hi union territory adamli Ukhrul district hi MLA phanga le sade Ukhrul wi mati kala major pop khating na sakor mang da jang ni phanga le sagjin MLA 1972 li stay ut samang jaina isili ba ka thumang mere ki kamalai mane population chungmeu ga da delimitation commission na Ukhruli constituency akha matai sangmi khai nei sina kai the constituency khaji Meitei dominated government na Supreme Court li kesa laka mayui thuda Government of India President li Ukhruli MLA ahamatai ka meka ashi shokra bloodshed civil war shok laka India with integrity sasara the President stay sami khainda chui wangai na ithumna maring phanlak thuda Manipur Tribal Delimitation Forum the constitute saye Justice W. Shishak retired Chief Justice High Court Chhattisgarh Himachal Pradesh and the Chairman saye ame home Khan convener ne ile member ne chi thad ithum sakchang da ngaran da klede Ukhruli MLA aham matai ka khami hi implement sa phung re delimitation commission na recommend saji implement samilo jemaning akha kathar recommendation samilo da ithum prime minister li letter khani shida ka bisangai re Justice Ranjana Kumari Desai chairperson li letter khani shida ka bisangai ne Justice Shishak na shwai sasare China in hangai point baba kachi ga thana election propaganda sada delimitation mi mutu da lekha Ukhrul sakhai je kiban sakhai do iwa Ukhrul sakhai vai integrity ji humbuman Ukhrul sakhai vai ji nganing tit ta khlei de kachi ga thana jahang sakha document ji thelo dang representation memorandum ji thelo dang lo it will serve two purpose number 1 li chigtha letter khak bi mi pa je expose sagi chide number 2 li chigtha document lek chang haulo chida ga hiba yaru wishes maning mane yaru ning sang maning mane individual akhana awi individual interest ka sare hiba ka tat miol da ka bi sangra dala maning la si ina thumle re makeup de jang ngai nei ka khani ali ari hon ithumna election propaganda sadda ka jigtha na ATC bill pang na ken mitu chatale ATC bill hiba isingra assembly li table masarangai introduce masarangai draft mang sadak leinei draft ka sanau jili credit pose di jila to kachi ka thana ning shimingai kha NPF li miredala kaja hill area committee chairman hi itau they showcasing the MPF party ne ning shimiga ali mira ka isingra siwe atam jimara rangai shepsi tuli kang the it is too premature athemam therang laka athemam minrang laka assembly le table sarang laka jong mai kap the 31 member ta ka sade si pasa se jega in hang high point baba shilake akhana karano ATC bill Article 371C here ka tom plungre support sa plungre ungsung khwai sara ga jine article 371c hi itum ka phung naw pingli 1972 li manipur government we khamya sang da constitutionally enshrine sa gai ne sang gai ne itum na sambang hangran itum na sambang hang yi legitimate political right jila 50 years implement mang sa hi itum mui ka phung wi tribal MLA ma ko kali sa dikhlak jinda athuma amig biaola ikipa kipali ka criticize sangai mane ka 50 years ishiva pi phuban khale thawe ge jine mi khongnai no ping na statehood samang dale crore pesa samang dale ishi manipur naka novo 21st century li 6th schedule masang bangi the most pitiable situation there in the whole of India itum ka thana ping tangkhul yasho la sho kali baugulak jinda 50 years li initiative ka quickly mangi ani khani jila tangkhul na sa sa de Professor M Horam na chairman salaka ji Professor Roy Perman committee the constitute sade ka wajara shangwe ministry tobal sawe and the chairman sa to mane after 50 years itaw lesiona chairman ka sign na ari an initiative teo khidele in hanghai point ba 50 years itumli constitutionally mighai itum legitimate political right jela kiwang fully implement isam khlak jene jen akhna karano I for one even he supports her statehood ka tha jiba ari chang mahangrar mane ka at least itumi autonomous district council jiba pokwi se gine autonomous district council itumi local self government de is a grassroots democracy ne tiawrno chungrno itumi sambang ranji ukhul apam hili rasangro jine maite mayang wili bai ka itumi marashu mane ka tiaw khamang la itum sambang ranji let it percolate here he spends her chuwang iwa ADC bilji iwa support sarag ji ne tumne hang ngai ne in atam shram khilwe ke iwi vision tiaw ko inan thum hangau ke ishi tanggul hiwa ka phungli pamau ke da ter khawa du ke chothang phai male mane I telili pam la ka ji longshim ye social media li ta ta pa phi ji dala ukhruwi isar isawo isazon ngarana ter mangphai male ma da 3 AM hong ga thomi thui la ga r khong li ter sok sa tali dhang de ishingra iba chi pa la ga ngya pi pai mane manung khwa na 21st century li itum khong nai ping na 24/7 bathroom li kitchen li pai ban ter ung de le manung shan mala isha chon ngara isawli hong ga thomi thui la ga ngya ter phag za ji iwa re me kap ta I address hangai sabai kha I ayala mapum chingsuli vaire chili kong je hak la ka ni long de le de kong ra ji ma thing ri ka ina ngara lui le tra ham le mane permali Myanmar li kong wa long wa de le iba sabai kha ATP wila Jaika wila World Bank wila or Government of India wila minimum 500 crore wila ka mapum chingsui pushing conceptly 200-300 tamsara teraji 132 kV substation sanglaga harwa khangai li 8000 feet li kapkare join ukhul humpum rephe kalhang kuire mariam wasungda southchong sangshag hata rambo tusa iram shova wasungda pai na 24/7 gravity na ipingai dele ichi thada jungji dele ningshila khaire number 2 li ukhulu chot me kap kji connectivity infrastructure deficit in the way sarok mali laga thada develop khira ora shepsi tuli khang thada road is the backbone of development songfu hin ithumi komo wi action wi ari kui ki than da way action de ari kui ma chung kha na aphian a hui ning ning pai la kongri ta ore songfu hin ithumi action ari kui ki thane iwa re me kap da khangte te je ka pai ne ter aina water supply na roti isami ngai ye aji ukhul taunli saro akhmang black top sa de le de in PWD principal secretary sa la ji Ukrului 4,500 square kilometer li. Okram ipobi CM itumne khamiji 6 crore. 6 crore na kathada sorok chemora. Phungyer constituency alone 2,400 square kilometer. Impal with 40 constituency ji only 2,000 square kilometer. Chile Manipur government na 2 crore mide. Kathada sorok saura in the CM lehang is 4,500 square kilometer li 6 crore mega iwi mirin li plek top mathem ra thang sin an hange ramoiba ukrul de di PMJ soi pe sayam phange da hangde thawi in ukruli in avura mui only hometown ukruli gaje tharan ukruli sarok akhmang ji sekhor thade ka jing roi ka lui ka sau thai ka jing ham ko uphu na ma chat pai ma ili au gentleman a han hangde ko himali abo ukruli high expectation like sai ji ukruli ung jaina ukruli slum thai dangde as a proud thankful it hurt my pride it was self respect it just hasada ge I khaya ge mukok chung hi ajukum cleanest city the award mi de lajang ithumui wa hili sekhor thado leg saji in a principal secretary works at the make up the number 1 li tadupi to Tengnopal via ukrul the National Highway 102A the Samyaude. Aji ukruli sarok akmang plek top sadak leji in a sakmine. Nishilage, Eva Chili Jumeka the Jumjidale. Chaika Asian Development Bank, World Bank Wayna, Eva Sabaka 10,000 crore the penning the day. Mizoram the 3,000 crore ere. Atuma multimodal the sarok the saye. 24/7 railway le saye kala kalatan kong ina pay of Bengal sang the navigation sadale de mina jitha da sa kha lu saving sa kha ithum tangful thadi yang pam sila chaika na project kam thami lo pesa mi ge da hangdale de ithum hiwa kolam haila ke na special category state ne ithum na soft loan ko pijithran 90% liability hi economic affairs na run ka howe economic affairs li 5 years wasa saye as director as joint secretary in a thaye athum na 90% run ka mi ge ja Manipur government we only 10% de chida ga advantage mu sila 10,000 crore khuyolo in 40 years repayment is only 1,000 crore 40 years li 1,000 crore Manipur government ma mirror merdawa after 40 years live a khawli 10,000 phungza thawru de chu advantage khwilaga iwa ukhru town li humbum li tang 56 le de at least 500 crore khwilaga sakhali tong iwa black top saminga ye footstep saminga ye ichu chu ji da khlai iwa sabai kha Impal to Kohima via ukhru 4 lane sanga ye Achuan Thang Nitin Gadkari mission Kanu Ungjit Haye. And 4 lane Manipur announced Haire. This is a tongue cover Sade. Ukrul Kamjong Mang left out Sawe. Itum Gatana Binglis Adele. Impal to Kohima 4 lane. Impal to More 4 lane. Impal to Chiripam 4 lane. Impal to Churachambo 4 lane. Kang Chonga in Ukrul. Kisadamazang too. Nitin Gadkari mission compound. Jiri make up the Natumpogi Jide, Sir Kangateli 4 lane Mr. Laga, issue Hulmakmi Hangla the Hangi Jinda. Eva Impal to Kohima via Ukrul, 4 lane Samire, Ichi Hotnara, wherever feasible tunnel system Sare, Mahatep Kapumakamare, Huikas Hong Kong Kapumakamare, Jidi tunnel Kani Sasik Jiva, Chinchuroi Bashunda, Ashar and Vagapind away. Jingcheroi lai thechami waina ka sang akha tanel saulo Kohima town washungda ashara in karade Kohima town ko shok de takam samane jeli tanel sare jitaga supsa li 4 lane raire jeli connect sagi jinda he with long term vision ne ni shla khaire ina ka tangali point khani mang hangau ke ever Shinawi, women empowerment, youth empowerment, champion ne itumi population 50% sinaw lagaba atumi pangthem thangkamai service masanga ka thada itumi yu semkara ka thada avaram semkara without women we can never be a distinct nation tangkhul we sinawi khamatha asaga mai natumi sari chanwai chonwai khamatha yur chat khangate ba ka shan ka choni ayur khani thumang mane tangkhul we ba 30 langde Dr. Sinale, Dr. Kishim Riva, atumi PhD dissertation ji, tangkhul chanwai chonwai de la 30 lang awo tangkhul ka chon khamda thangkang haura changkom sejan ka shan kongra ka shan luirim raibar ka chon kya khamatha ho khorchamri hai de la mning mala na thumi talent pangthem ji samdong re itumi rinjani la ok thui apuk apam lima khale culture akhali de snowing we pukrela peacemaker kho khani raisa ka pre naw ping na yor la ping na rai ji kham de la ji culture ji pukrela hoye na thuma peacemaker ne hi ga tha khama tha culture hi khangate yuli ma le mane isarang ra ina thumi songai la ge Manipuri first elected women MLA metam hangmila Nakawi women MP metam rano saiza Reda shokai re ajina thumanga chaili la metam hangmila changsare metam rano saiza changsare gijine even now to na thum MLA MP lang ninglo iwa thaure na thum bali support sa ge gijine sinau pingwi service khang chon ma changda you our mission primary women empowerment itumli na thumni support sar sabai ka iwa khug jida tang jida self help group form sar pengwe na loan khira only self help group na loan khui pai de without security without collateral thang ma thang ji kopline khchan sa se number 2 li youth ping hi 60-70% youth lagawa athumli empowerment sa ka thada avaram semkar aji ukhnang lagaina tangkhulu ke them thangami saikor mayang aleli mompe bengalo telili service mi zadale chiwang ithum hiliwa infrastructure deficit facility nil industry nil ke thada pam ke changur saikor hi economic tambing na thera public good hoye connectivity internet banking college primary education health care katong hi public good day water supply power it is the basic moral responsibility of a government akhu odang ru nei itu manipur now maning mala itu india maning mala manipur government 8,000 crore 7,000 crore kum ke jida samang dale itu mi shekali jang dale for too long itu mli manipur government india ka sarkar na malai hai dale iwaji masapai merat da chikang ragi jine aji ithumli thada chipat lagaina lakhani population 100 crore mi ka thada yu semgar ithumi izzat ithumi self respect kali leidale tangkhul self respect ji I regain sagi jine I jawang ra mi gi jine changna ithumli chipat thaire step motherly treatment saire lion share ji tampakli investor serdele hi thada masapai lang marag jine isingra katangali inanda thumli makhang lam sa pai akhlei mamlai ka pai lest we forget mamlai ka pai India hi Congress party na 50 years mungde Congress adamli nakali sakshme kap rekrekte sipai sijen laga ogathui ajikun matili the whole planet li sakshme kap ka jiwi draconian law Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958 li Naka area mangli 6 months wibang promulgate sai kachang thurwai na ari tingum hang thrukai re hi katha lo hi sipai li protection mi khwai citizen li kap thalokji ok thili tha long wala Africa North Korea li hi tham le mane it is totally inconsistent with the civilized world with the democracy Indian shipaina itum narkali kapthat paidi on mere suspicion ninkamongaina chikta shipai jeli court of law limkhera paimane without prior sanction of the government of India for 70 years sanction aklama mimne Congress party na aspa kung laka 1958 a kind of iron curtain was descended in Naga area it only 39 years lockdown sa haide Kashmir li achagum 6 month lockdown sa ye the whole world make hue and cry 39 years we were locked down in 39 years li foreign journalists akamang ungji Kevin Young London Observer we correspondent a visa masam phangmada parma wen ungde kuire we ocha meeting na thanungai ana Puchuri Naka village Metikruli vade 6 September 1960 the year I was born Indian shipai na Metikruli walaka pastor awunga la sangda mi chadamati 14 people akui tani haidala Nagaland live 6 September he black day hoyi Metikrui ichinang rana kum ka chida drama ji annex hade chili mi charmag tam sapai mane ithumui ukruli la ngalama thamai kap ka che isara rose kumram isari rose ama khamai sai sipai nang ya lambong da tukmi laga muthosong a ngak chiawi sipai khibali action khuidele aspain khui pai mane Chatamli tangkur sinau long malay samane tangkur sinau bin andolon salaga tangkur sinau long dara ka prade isar luingamla of ngayo abang susong varentali ra rak sade apangling sakui laga bedroom khika laga tok media da sai ali nomain kap thau da khipali action khuidele because of aspa 1951-52 li iram shova waina Naka army mi majiwa zangai isame Peter ame Orhai ame Somi ame Ningshok 1968 li ame Somi li tukwi laga for 1 month tingum kachanga ka ceiling li naked and kangwi laga electric and private party shok sa ye ka sade ki tuk private party sangmi ye sayu vayu thadari ngade kipali action khuidele Ukruli la ngala no ping ni tu mi ki de sa de jong tang khului ya sho che re ocha kong sui lui thui chairman district council kham jaina sipai na ga tang tang mi la ga a naw la ngan chiawe awe agato amei ringam lui thui na Nagaland file da ka bi de government of India na Nagaland file je pan sawe oi namli naga ga tong ali Lenga fully, Simi show Mati Pangatang High is the love. Now the Mimangali Prangsak. Nature core comes with Kanjol, Mimangali Sangsak, DC Sanapati, SP Sanapati Vagina, make church and a cook rate in a Muslim Sakji. Manipur CM, Ojara Shang and IGB Vaye. I need a Muslim Sakji. Ojara Shang, the primarily protest Sakjana, Kipali action queen. Shipai Pali action Mukila, Ojara Shang, the same when Kuchok Idela. Butta Singh, Home Minister Unglaga, Rajiv Gandhi na telephone salaga. Ali Kushok laga in the midnight, 12 midnight li, Maya Sedung Pobli, RK Choi Chandrali, CM Impo Saude. Amay Sebastian Honre, Aungtang Wire. Ain Apriva Nanti Daksana, Oinam. The judgment never come, the light could be idly. Anina New York li, a new pocket mini valaga, New York li protestate, Oinamuji. High Court, Guwahati High Court, a new pocket and case. Even after 30, maybe nearly 30 years, Arula Jew judgment Mirange. Nagaland, even son of Kaka Iraluna, Nagaland and India, the blood and tears like a piece and Sarai delay. Mi Lakani, Congress Party in Saturday Kaide. Ava Pizona, Michik Highway, I mean, Tariq, address and Sulaga, UN General Secretary Maidele, Ipaire. Ishingara Congress na aspa quick raina. Itum naka your psychology akamatsu dele. We have scar either physically, mentally, or psychologically. The Chigata Nakali yang shmek cup party jelly vote me sila. He Sakashar Wadre. Ina Aching Torn Tumli, I appeal Sangayi, Kachigatana, Chigata with Tishan Quair Saka, Panning the Lesaka, reconsider Salu. Miko Mohin a Chai Paisare. มาท่าทำไม alternative มาเลยมาละNaga we only political party NPF achieve into Naga political negotiation thak may the agreement sak by the facilitate ka sa khang chon support sai NPF mang de 70 years chothai re are the uncertain generation thoda ka value fasila eva ka thak aina into Naga we agreement thak the sang sanga ye mi ka mo na sak sabje sa la ka khui house e ithum na re ka sang pong di Marar house ke chine chwa thai re itum hi saka sabji mi kamon sak sab khui laga the rest let us leave it to God we rau pang hai sang house chili support sa de le hi NBF pang e NBF hiva it is not a mere political party naka yu psychor mi phu psychor anga na into laga kharar ka sarfa ka chung the members sa gi chide hiva people's movement ne itum identity protect sakvai itumi culture nation promote sakvai itumi way of life asad abat chi protect saki ji party de hikta party li magtong chang sila isingra aji 28 February 2022 hili in a legacy ya aung tang we humpun nauping na thoma ka them thanga me misare Eva Shepsi to Liga Hangtada, I feel deeply honored, not to make Malik Hangning he. I feel greatly humbled. Not to in the Akamang request Sauge, Aji 28 February 2022 Hili. There will lack high NBF party G. Gianhan Atat had the Yao Salabaye. Kerr Ajing Shun Aung Tangli, Yao Sang House. Terror Chai Milo, Nurture Samilo. Laka. 10 March election result wanji jawla khai kayana atha katha NPFG awan chokrono ashwan chokrono 10 March li kachi na thum hangaye kathara lairi glik hang thada go forward and multiply ji na thum hangaye isingra sadu se muiwa se ithumui mi maya sang sak ji go forward and multiply ji ya jing thor na thum ji hangangai nei Dukur he canning to hang laka, the tum the chingri and enough me wang ning silak haire, in a hanghai pointy, 1 minute is summarized sauge. In a Manipur Hangvishin Zangi, Eva Rivrali, Ningishi Sada, Ya Avaramli, Autumn with Gijine. Kiwivang, Rivrana, you immediately, Hamahalak and John Mikai Tarakalay. In a new laka, Katumiti Shida, Manglakan me, Rivrana. China even new laka wine, the mum like luck money. There is a higher purpose. You what ayaya voli. There is a higher purpose. In a achenutum maning the clay. Eva, he without Kangan the Kui. Number 2, itum Nakawi, Manipur tribal now with legitimate political rights. Itum Sambangran, Sambangiji, E Kang. Number 3, itum Ukru district. Infrastructure deficit sanaire. Even he address sangaye infrastructure ji basic infrastructure ji ichi address har maram ka thum hi wang I achi decision kui laka ne thumai mangaling ning da khlai nei I chui wang Manipur Hangvishin Zangi da khlai nei China I now make up the ne thum le sia sa ga ne ka po nei 5 March li ne thum ne le shimi ka NPF with symbol harwa jali vote sang mi serlo ili sia samilo netum ili leshmeka promissionaka ili katomilo ili support samilo ili vote milo I netumui otam thagi jene I with advagi de khalai mirin hi iwa mission akhamang le one mission I with mission jiwa avaramli otam thagi jene netum ne chingre ne na hyang ning sila khaire rivrana itumui aung tang ukhruwi ramekap je tang hili itumli avuramli masomi reno ning sila khaire
ning sila khaire itumui kya shikhngi ya candidate li kala ana awi vision Matana guy na hang jik thai bang itum mui kring kra kri ka tha da okri pai me ra kra ka ji an chung ka hang the re jiwang chung haning si le ara in aka request ko sau guys Xavier school le arwi Scorpio ko chara ka S10 number makara aka hai khai ji teo ko site ka sa miao lo li tungwa kom tak le dignitary sa ko ikari shok pai sai da sa tak le ka jina shin khamai da mu shok pai thwe then arwi ara itumi ka tuma himra ka siwi NPF wi president na shika introduction ka kui miruno.
Thank you, moderator. Actually, the duty for introduction was assigned to our president, our friend from 44 area unit NPF, but he has left for a very important urgent works related with party affairs at his office. So, as we are all aware that there are so many prominent, important leaders in our midst today from different places. However, owing to time factor, we cannot introduce each and every one of you. I beg your excuses to kindly bear with me. However, we cannot leave without introducing our senior leaders from Kohima and from the state of Manipur. So, first of all, may I have the pleasure to introduce our Secretary General, NPF Central Office, Sir Achumbe Mokikon. Secondly, we have in our midst our President, who is also Honorable Minister of Environment and Forest, Sericulture, Government of Manipur, the President of Manipur State Unit, Sir Awangbo Nyumai. We also have our respected leader who was vying for NPF party ticket from this constituency. He is a retired IAS officer, Kuir Maranchan Luikham. Sir, please rise up from your seat once. Thank you so much. Thank you for your kind presence and for the support to this party. We also have the eldest son of late Deni Shaiza, Homung Shaiza, in our midst. Please rise up from your seat. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your wonderful support. God bless each and every one of you. I'm sorry, okay. We have our chairman, election committee for 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022, who is also the working president of the Naga People's Front, Central Office Kohima, Sir Samuel Risom. Sir, please rise up from your seat once. Thank you. Thank you.
Ning share NPF with President, Ukrul Division with President ning share. Ara itu mui ketuma speech tau say. Now may I call upon Viku Su to kindly take your time.
Giving us this opportunity, particularly those of us from Nagaland, to come to this village, Hungpung, a village that has produced many prominent leaders in the past and even in present times. I grew up and my education, my childhood education was from Christian English School Kohima, a school that was run by Rano M. Saiza and Uncle Longshim Saiza. Both of them today are no more with us. I'm so glad as we go. We were classmates, same age. My elder brother was same age with his elder brother, Chari. Unfortunately, they are no more. But I'm glad, and I met him this morning. I was asking him whether he was, and he will be coming to Ukhrul. And I'm glad I met him this morning, and I'm also encouraged by our retired Wing Commanders, Alan Saiza, whom I just came to know him, and the opinion, I think, what he has shared, that makes a lot of clarity and sense to all of us. I just want to share a little bit about Uncle Lumsheng Saiza and Rano. We grew up like a family. I was in their school from class 1. So they really took great care of us, because I also had one uncle as a brother-in-law. So that brought us more closer to the family. After my departure from the school, we only hear that uncle from a distance, and later on, we all know Auntie Rano became Lok Sabha MP in 1976, I think. That was the time, I think the country was really under great difficult times during the emergency period. I think they were very instrumental in the fighting for religious right, along with Porno, Sangma, and others. They were very vocal and they were very strong on there. They did their best for all of us. I didn't quite get time. It was only when our leader, Ramyo Zumik, who passed away in America, and his dead body was supposed to be, his dead body was being brought to Nagaland. I was President NSF at that time, and I really got the opportunity to meet Auntie Rano, because that time we all became the committee members for the burial of our leader, late Ramyo Zumik. We buried him somewhere in the road to Dimapur in Zubza area. I think that land owned by him. So that's where I got closer again to Auntie Rano and the concern she had for the Naga community. Why I'm saying and why I want to credit the family is this NPF, which began as Dan. I think both Uncle Lumsheng Saiza and Madam Auntie Rano, we call them Auntie Rano, were instrumental in forming this party for the Naga people. They were the founding members. They have contributed their mind, their thought, their belief in this party. And today I'm so happy and glad to learn that the children of the family that had given us this party has decided to support this NPF party. This is a big achievement. You know, even in Nagaland, there are many instances where elections are fought between families. Elections are fought between son-in-law and father-in-law. What is left and what is right for us is, in that given situation, we always have to look for what is right. And I think Humpung village today, you are faced with a similar situation. But I think what our retired commander had shared is the guiding light. I wish this village follow in suit. I am not here to come to criticize the Congress or the BJP, but given the situation in Nagaland today and in Manipur, where we have opened up our account, NPF, we are under extraordinary times, and we have to face this election side by side with the peace process that is on, which we are all aware. And therefore, I would like to share the experience, how we have had with Congress as political party and now with BJP as political party, the experience that Nagas back home in Nagaland has faced. When the ceasefire was signed in 1997, Nagas all over, I think, welcome it wholeheartedly because we want Naga solution. 1998 election came and the Naga people back home all came out and gave a call, Nagas one solution, no election. And therefore, appeal was made to all political parties to refrain from election. We as NPF, at that point of time, we were just a mere member. But this political party, along with the rest of the political parties, did not participate in the election. It was the Congress who went and filed nomination in all the 60 assembly seats, and they ran the opposition-led government for one term. When 2003 election came, they were not so sure about whether they should support the peace process or not. They could not make themselves clear. They were rather against extension of ceasefire for political talk. That was the reason why, when 2000 election came, Naga people in general voted out the Congress. Since then, 2003, NPF took over the government in collaboration with BJP, and now again in Nagaland, you all know, we have NDPP and BJP in coalition, but recently the changes in government has taken place where we are no more in opposition. We have now UDA government, that is United Democratic Alliance, to give a final push to contribute towards the peace process by playing a facilitative role, as announced by Chief Minister in Senapati on 16th of this month. Now coming to BJP, in 2018, when election came, the entire political party again took a stand that 2018 we will not go for election, but we will request the government of India to give the final settlement, Indo-Naga peace process. BJP too participated, and we made a resolution. We even passed in the assembly that we will not go for election. But again, it was the BJP who came forward and suspended the two members who attended that meeting and announced election for solution, that is 2018. We are just close to few months, 19 months now, for election in Nagaland. And therefore, no doubt, we are here. NPF is a coalition partner with BJP here, but we are not sure about the sincerity, the commitment towards solving the Naga issue. This is what is challenge ahead of all of us. And therefore, the only solution we see today is we have to rely and come forward and support NPF. NPF is the organization, I believe, that will be able to, and that has been raising its voice for the Naga people. To close up, to sum up, while I was in college, when I entered college, I came across a small booklet written by a German high school students, essay on what Gandhi means to me. There, a high school student wrote that problem for any generation is that every generation will either have to stand for something or the other. But the problem with the present generation is not standing for anything is the stand. That is what I came across. I think we are challenged today to stand for our right, to stand for our people. And we have here political party NPF. We are grateful to the founders of the NPF who has given this political party to us. If we have to stand for a cause, if we have to stand for a political party, it is NPF. We want all Nagas to stand for NPF because here is our future and here is the right cause for the Naga people. Long live NPF and victory to Ram Muiwa.
Thank you very much, Vicky Hosu, our Honorable MLA, for the inspiring speech. Now, next we go to Achumpe Mokikon, General Secretary NPF Central Kohima. Secretary General, sorry.
The moderator of this morning interesting gathering, a campaign to mobilize in favor of our most beloved candidate, Mr. Ram Muiwa. The dignitaries coming from this village as well as surrounding village, our delegation coming from Kohima, President, Manipur State Unit NPF, Awangbo and his colleagues, and our two most important persons of this gathering, Mr. Samuel Raison and Mr. Maranjan Luikam. They are the one who have sacrificed to let NPF win this seat. Let us give him a big applause. I have come here to talk to you for the second time. This election, as well as in the last elections. I am also an ex-president of the NSF, and therefore Ukhrul is home to me. When I come to Ukhrul, I feel at home. I was telling my boys sitting in the vehicle this morning that they are coming for the second time, the last 19 rally. I told them that you will now tell your friends that you can tell your friends you are coming. Or if they ask you how many times you have come to Ukhrul, 2 times. But as for me, I cannot count how many times I have come. And that is the attachment that we have in this hometown, in this district, and to the Tangkhul community. And therefore, when we come and talk to you, we mean business. We are serious. Therefore, we are coming back again and again. That we cannot let it go just like that. This 44 Ukhrul is an NPF stronghold. You know, in 2011, when the party was launched in the state of Manipur, we have set up candidates in 12 constituencies in the 2012 elections, including our former MLA, Mr. Samuel Raison. You all were kind enough to elect him, and he has very effectively represented you. He didn't look for his position. He didn't look to earn money. And since he could not earn money the next election in 2017, he could not win. Because people were looking for money probably, the constituency. I think we were led astray. the people were not properly sensitized, the sacrifices, the contribution that our MLAs, these parties' MLAs, 4 of them, including our own former MLA here, Mr. Samuel Raisom, resigned to save our people, our land, and to ensure secure future for our children. That is how this party sacrifices, even in the past, and even in the recent 10 years back, you have seen how this party sacrifices. Therefore, there should be nothing that should be stopping you to be supporting this party, to be a part of this party. I don't find any reason the Hung Pung villagers in particular, the Tangkhul community in general. This village is one of the biggest villages amongst the Tangkhul villages. That's what we are told. And you are pioneers in all aspects. Religion, politics, social leaders, revolutionary leaders, you name it. All leaders, the pioneers, mostly are from this village. Then, are you to sit back and watch others to dance? Or you are still in a position to lead us? You will be failing the Naga people if you choose a wrong party to represent you. No! Don't fail us. We have looked upon your leadership in the days of in the past, and it will be wrong for a villager, an educated, advanced, a big village like Hung Pung to be choosing a wrong party to represent our people, our village, our community. You cannot do that. I'm aware that there is a candidate from this village, but unfortunately, if they choose a party that doesn't reflect the hearts and sentiments of our people, that doesn't represent the aspirations of our people, it is unfortunate. We are not saying that they are not capable. They are also capable in their own way. But choosing a political party has become paramount, an important aspect for the Naga people especially. On the 10th of March, result will be out. You will be going to the poll on the 5th of March, this Saturday. And in the TV screen, all of you will be having a big TV. These days, everybody owns TV. Result will be out the state of Manipur, UP, Punjab, other states where elections have been conducted simultaneously with the state of Manipur. There will be headlines. People will be reading the whole India, that BJP this much, Congress this much, NPF this much. There, the Indians will know, the rest of India, the government of India will know that there is a party called Naga Party. How are you going to look at the TV on that day? How are you going to look at your mobile when the result comes? Can we show that Naga Party won only 1, 2, 3, 4? No. And can we say that Ukhrul, 44 Ukhrul, lost to some other party, not the Naga Party? Is that the way we will be conveying to the rest of India, to the rest of the world? We cannot do that. We cannot do that. Therefore, it is my earnest appeal to these villagers, to the voters, electorates of 44 Ukhrul Assembly constituency, to kindly reconsider your decisions, even if you have taken decisions, but I am hopeful and I'm sure that you all have already made up your mind to support NPF, to elect our official candidate, Mr. Ramngani Moiba. Please think it over again and again and support our party, your party. This party was formed in 1963. You know, there is one interesting fact which this village must know, which you all must know, which the Tanghuls must know. This party formed in 1963 changed 7 times the name, but the symbol of the party, the Gok symbol, which all of us own in our kitchen, the flag, the motto, Fede non-armies, remains the same. During this 7 times changing of nomenclature, we have kept changing the name, but our motto, our symbol, our flag remains the same. Now, it was initially formed as Democratic Party Nagaland. Then it changed into United Front Nagaland. Till such time, Uncle A. Gevichusa was the president. And after that, for the third time, the party was changed into United Democratic Front, UDF. You know who was the president? She is from your village, Andi Rano Meze Shaiza. She was the president of this party, your party, that belongs to you. And another interesting fact, which you would love to know. After the declaration of emergency from 1975 to 1977, during Indira Gandhi's time, during Congress regime, there was a lot of problem all over India. Most of these party leaders, the Kok party, these NPF leaders, were put behind power because all the opposition leaders were put behind power, so including the NPF leaders. And after that, we came back with a lot of strength, and we defeated the Congress. And you know who was elected? Andi Rano Shaiza was elected as the Lok Sabha MP. From this party, I am reminding you, you all know. I have come here to remind you. From this party belongs to you, your village. She was elected from this party as member of parliament. Wouldn't you feel proud of such achievement that you have done? And today you will forsake it? No, you cannot do that. Therefore, dear elders, leaders, young and old, it has become imperative for you especially. We have only 4 days to go now. We don't need to talk to you. You know everything. We expect you to talk to the other villagers, rather. That is the expectation from us. And therefore, don't fail us. This party, I don't want to go into too many details, represents the idea that Naga people believes, the aspirations that Naga people aspire to live together as one people, as one nation. You have 48, little close to 48,000 voters, 44 Ukrul. Out of this village has the highest number of voters, more than 13,000 voters. If the whole 13,000 vote for Ramngani Moiba, what is there to be feared? He has already won. However, since you have a candidate, and the Congress candidate mother is also from this village, you have a lot of obligation. So we will not take your 2,000 to 3,000 votes. Please give us 10,000 votes. Are you ready? Please don't forget both of them. One is from this village, another mother is from this village. At least give them few hundreds, but give us 10,000 votes. Give back to your party 10,000 votes. Please, don't fail us. I will come back on 11 after the result to see how much you have given us. No, I will not tell not exactly on 11, but I'll come back. So therefore, we have nothing to lecture you. You are very advanced community. You are a thinking community. You are a community, a village who analyzes both the merits and demerits of each candidate. Our candidate, Mr. Ramgani Mueva, has already explained to you in detail. We don't want to go in detail. So therefore, I would urge upon the villagers of this, the voters of these villagers, to kindly rethink, think again and again, and don't fail the Naga people. Lastly, it is also important to bring to the knowledge, to the notice of this house, to these villagers, that since you are a pioneer of this, spreading the word of Christ, not only to Tangkuls, but even to the rest of the other communities, Naga communities and other smaller communities living in other areas. This party doesn't only defend our land and our rights, it also defends our faith. How we defended, you know? When the Election Commission of India announced that the first phase of election will be on the 27th, that was yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Our party objected. We cannot be a party to that election which falls on Sunday. Now this party has become so strong because of your support, because of the grassroots, the support from the grassroots people, that they have taken our objection very seriously, and it was postponed from yesterday to today, from Sunday to Monday. This is how this party works. We mean business. We just, when there is election, we just come and talk to you, lecture you left and right. No. We do things that represents, that is good for all of us. And we have done it in the past also, and we will still do it, even in the future. So therefore, it is my humble request to all of you that we must come forward. The rest of the villagers also must come forward and ensure that our candidate is elected. I have said another last point. When we selected the candidate this time, in 2012, we have given ticket to 12 of them. In 2017, we have given the ticket to 15 of them, including some of the Kuki candidates. This time, we have only zeroed down to 10 constituencies, only in the Naga-dominated areas. Why? Because our state unit, led by Mr. Wangbo Nyumai, President, were very, very much in objection, telling us to central office that, sir, if we set up candidate in other non-Naga areas, especially the Kuki areas, we find it very difficult to discuss and to initiate an NBF meeting. So we question, what is that? What is the problem in calling a meeting by giving ticket to Kuki candidates? They said, NBF meeting is such that we start with the Naga issue, we start with the Naga interest, we end up with the talking of Naga issues and Naga interests. So it is so embarrassing. So therefore, we cannot afford to give ticket to other communities. Let us try only among the Nagas first. Let us consolidate our people first. This is how this party, even while issuing the tickets, while selecting the constituencies, we are very careful so that our future is not diluted, so that we take our people forward through this party in a very effective way. So therefore, since we have not failed our Naga people from its inception till the last, till today, I would request again and again this village not to fail us, not to fail the Naga people. Thank you, Kognalim Ningsing Hari.
Thank you very much. Now, before we go to the last speech, I'm sorry, but it is not included in the program. But may I have the pleasure to call upon Mrs. Anay Kamin, wife of former Minister CC, member, NPF Central.
Natumli, nang sinay haire. Thank you for giving me time. Time is short. I'm sorry I couldn't name all the dignitaries over here. But today I'm standing here on behalf of Uncle Langshim, late Langshim Saiza and Auntie Rano Saiza. You all won't know me, but I am the cousin sister of brother Azibu Saiza's wife. Azibu, can you please stand up once? The son of late Uncle Langshim Saiza and Auntie Rano Saiza. I just want to share with you all, clarify one doubt over here. As you all know, Auntie Rano Saiza and late Auntie Rano Saiza and Uncle Langshim, late Langshim Saiza, their regional party, they have worked so much for Nagas in times of trouble. And their motto for the Nagas, is stand by faith, not by arms. That is their message. Even though if they are not with us today here, Ina appeal to all my brothers and sisters to kindly vote for our NPF candidate Sri Ram Moiva, 44 Ukrul ST-SC constituency. Thank you.
Aruida, sui program hili macam salah, ajem rancang di, atam sih kami tele, awi atam anda tak kami mirano. Itu naru hili matuida kelai, kita sada kelai, kita orang live telecast sada kelai. Nana thada mi tum thada simri da hili merajang ran salah simri jungka, yang relai kelai live telecast sami da kelai ni.
Missionary, thank you very much for giving me a short time to deliver. I'm not in the program, but nonetheless, since I've been requested, I want to fulfill my obligation. I would not like to address fully those dignitaries on the dais. I will come straight to you. Arui, natung nathai aju election hi. Aju election ni Mamrai kabayak reitre. Naga we peace talk. Indo-Naga peace talk. He crucial crossroad with the itumna mga baraka yabak baraka wibakra our khanisunu hidai Nagaland Legislative Party donga MLA donga unite sakani opposition less party Nagaland Joint Legislative Front Alpha NPF we MLA ra Nagaland Achui Nagaland Nationalist Nagaland Naga Democratic Party with the cabinet minister kasambang Naga Gdongana Unite Saraga Achui Naga we issue hiwang Toxi Fort Sahawang Toxi Ungshung Kaiwang Kiwang Rejigan 2020 we Toxi Tanghaini Notum the Mamaraka by Amit Shana 31st October li Kupsangi Neta deadline ni Prime Minister Modi 18 months to Kuprat Hangi 2015 ni Kahang Koji Adi Rashunga Kika Rain Shuatam Hiri Itumui Unity Aka Kami Nagao Ishuri Nagan Tandre Day Yuri Wak Chiga Naga Tangkuna Tandre Day Himam Raisi Jena Itumui small political Itumi political parties Congress no BJP no Itum the small issues wang Kika makning issue wang Itum the rungsung Lakain Saje Mam Shung Jete Achun the Tangula Katani Hiri Itumna Hiri NPF Kutongi Naga Yutonga Manipuri Kredi Tangkula Kata Sa Shok Nigraji Hondre Day Young Dre Day Itum Hiring Zanaika Itum Hiri Pekar Pokaiga Itum Shim Sirete Atumba idealistic Saraka and Mutushabe like Temraga and Mutui very educated very qualified but uncommitted to our day without conviction Jim Sang Jena Punpunau being here commitment race Aju Hiri election coming big you mark Jung Zengri you Tisa Zengri you Asia Zengri why I stand for NPF Itumi Naga issue Thought Kako Chodaira Ishawa we thought in Ishawa we thought in Are you thought you now we thought it short Kyuangda because when election time comes we divert our attention to political parties and their cheap promises. Atumi kapay ngabeng gong promises we fall into that trap. Him sang sakam. Aya don hiri mission compound ni notumda nauzona in the theater Chief Minister of Manipur na Cabinet Minister Mira the Suye MLA Ukrului MLA BJP MLA Council Cabinet Minister Ipigini Tana Bautai Naga people does not want a cabinet minister. Naga people wants a peaceful and honorable settlement for all Nagas. Today, why is the Chief Minister of Manipur diverting our main issue? He doesn't belong to us. He doesn't belong to the Naga people. He will have no affection for us. I can promise you that. The affection has to come from ourselves, from our hearts, not for the party, for our people. Such a responsible person,
a politician like Amit Shah na. Churachampuli 2030 right? 23rd of February. He made a promise. He made a pledge. He made an announcement. Jadi anahangi. Kukiwi problem he. Kukiwi. He takra and resolve sara. Jadi matani. Kuki community them matani. Jeno Kukiwi. Keno Kuki National Organization. Na like our shogare. BJP party supports her. Electorate, all the Kuki people should vote for BJP. Cheap politics, but dangerous politics. They are playing with fire. And that also coming from the mouth of the Home Minister, Union Home Minister. Then, is he serious about us? Three questions are. Is he serious about solving the Naga problem? But if you are serious, if he say no, Kuki or not, your promises or not, we will stand for ourselves. We will stand for Naga people. We will stand for the party which represents Naga people, NPF, Naga People's Front. Loctorino, Nashameruno, Nashabaruno, Noburuno, Nairuno, no Oruno, Hangro, the EG, not to make Songai, Zitaka, NPF will surely try. With these words, I thank you all for listening. Thank you.
Nishere, Jim Ranchanli, Arida, speaker, Teaka. Manipur State we working president Amipol we now na atam koi mirano.
I'm not in the program, but before our President Stena, he wants me to say something, so I have to obey my president. ERA politics to say the Ramaling. Very simple clear. Education how clear. Down how clear. Kun ko. Na to me the me in a hilly politics to say what cramming. In a hilly. Na to me, Pok Nai, Pok the Hanging. Shanta will down to lead the Pok Nai, Kipan Sansa. Oh, real. Hun ho, oh yo, hun ho, amazing hun ho. Tao có liên được cục cái sang sức gì, hun nào nữa là, tao có lòng ban hậu bục đó, oh yang lòng đó là, em chỉ có lòng đó là, chỉ có ham lòng đó là, tại hili khipan à, politics tầm thế quay sao đó, y hili mà phá sang mà này, cái hili ng sang ra đó, hun nuôi, tất cả mọi đó. Hun phun một xí, khắc suy đó, chúng mong gì in sang rai. Hui su, khi ba, cái thà ít dùng một thế, mà tao Alfred, in the guest president sao được NS39 đã thùng lạc sao cũng sao đó, conference li, assembly, NSFli, thằng mà đó, ít đồ thật đó, lá sắc được bị lịch sử lắm. Xong đấy, abavu, anirin. Oh, Mayo, simple that you to me. I will sit like what child what's happened? I will some dialogue eat to that. You hang head the money. Ka, I think hang head. He lit hand the like a door. Tang I don't eat me. Passing a jumbemon and hang it, sketchy gender and not to know poke like a bar. The gun tomorrow couldn't grip on my. Jiao这个一种参与给这个谁的，搞的啥子那可以这个内让，这真呢呀一些啥，这里阿尔法的米说到什么个大等来后，从单位说到什么个大等来的，可，混那个他那个来个就把这，阿等这里 Sarmandan na hangai aju isu ji hyang sa ro na thum se le ba hili na hang ha ga I ga chan la ke ga chan I ticket ko mi diang sa da ga chang ne rang aju mi le Sarmandan ma them ne a fit ma sam ne ga chem ning lang ho al retired IAS ne ma the ma the le ra Sarmandan ka le hili I mu kya jingia sar samar ex MLA ne working president ni center ana NDF ka bon ni jitla ka hang de le ba arui sarang maning na fitness ni jim ding lang ho ane them mi thui asa them mi thui da samran dan sar samar msa them ni jim ni ho ka I hang ai ba ran ka bang ni I khwing sa ngai mi ko mo na maning la adam mi huili oh aju ba Ramaning Mubali King Saulo, the Virana, Suddenly the Quisi, Itum Mikumo Mori Pulasan, Kakabang the Quimilo, Jena, Azuba, Luma San Mida, NDF, Pecom Hungry, Kakadomilo, Ramuiva, Ina, Manghang and Nimbre, Naram, no, I mean Mangdaki, Itum Shilongli, Hosalibum, Sang, Sorakai, no, take Rami. Cái bị khéng cái ốc thì mình là mình này, một tuổi hay chắc được sáng mình có chắc được sáng mình chẳng, ở đây là anh tuổi đang ý chí là sao đấy, sang ngày gì cái bị sao cơ, một số nông dân nó phu ra đi, một số nông dân phu ra, chứ nó không biết là sao, mắc bị bệnh, cái này hiện là hàng ngày, ít thôi mà em san đi giờ, experience, cái thằng đó phân ra, khi ba linh sơ cái thằng đó, im pha đi là, chú ý, à thùng thái linh sân đi phu ra, đi đi cái là Mayang no aku habis ni, kita harus sar atuming san ni. Kau awak already, awak julesan kubai itu lah. Itu macam han fura, awak julesan dom kubau lah. Kau tahu kan itu macam kim macam liu sih. Dah, ya, ini mana? Ini kan tunggu, semua le salu lah. Please, apa tu? NPF bilang sekali kan, anam sasa kan, so, cincin mereka kira ketang sih. Cepat je, tu tak. Ini Witness lo, na niarin ko eh. Lo masan mi da tu tang ato NDF. Ka dom mi lak lo ji hang da. Hin tango ni sa ka.
Ni sa ka de ami polle. Ya really request ka sa ngai ba na. Program ko bai na dang da tong sang ser sai. La ka program ko bai ka isa cha bai na ma thue la. Ka tong na. Arui Chui, kid Ahwabing lead at the Juizang Sulaga, Mohonaga, I wonder which Junction Jen and the pain is Tammy say. Ara Kanawa Sada Shui, Kanawa Speaker Aongbao Niwai, Honorable Minister, Environment and Forest, Government of Manipur Natam Kumirno.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. I think all of us are tired of sitting. Shall we just stand up for a few seconds? Thank you so much. Please be seated. I will like to deliver my speech in two languages, two dialects, one in Tangkhul English, another in Tangkhul Manipuri. I've been the last speaker on behalf of all the speakers who have spoken. I would like to address the gathering. The respected chief of the village, thank you so much for your cooperation. Respected Secretary General of the Naga People's Front Central, Sri Achumbemo Kikon, respected Working President, Naga People's Front, Central, Samuel Rishom, who is also the chairman of the Election Management Committee of this 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election, Honorable MLA and in charge of Manipur, Sri Vikeho Su, Honorable MP, Dr. Lor Hofose, respected Working President of the Manipur State Unit, NPF, Paul Muinao, respected GS, General Secretary of the MSU, in charge of administration, Hong Rukui Kasung, central women teams and youth teams, respected candidate, official candidate, Sri Ramding Muiba, who is our nominee for this AC, Sri Maranchan Luikam, who is our leader, who also have seek our ticket, Alan Saija, the retired Wing Commander, the President of the Okhur Division, NPF, respected leaders representing different localities and also leaders of the various organizations, media friends, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank on behalf of the MSU and also on my behalf to our leader, Samuel Rishom, Maranchan Luikam, Paul Moinao, and Rukui Kasung, who are also contender who have seek our ticket, but as we cannot give ticket to all of them, we have chosen for this AC, Mr. Ram Moiba, but I would like to salute them for their courage and guts for coming forward, supporting our official candidate. I also want to thank their families, the strong families of these 4 leaders who have come forward in support of our candidate. I would like to pay my humble respect and tribute to late Deni Saija, who was the first issue-based MLA elected from this constituency. I was with him. I have high respect for him as a leader and as a gentleman. I also pay my respect to his families. We have come here to seek your support to elect NPF candidate. In the past, we have elected many MLAs representing or who are from different parties. But today, we have come to seek your support to elect NPF candidate. The whole world is watching the Naga people today. The whole world is watching what will be the verdict of the Naga people in this election. our leaders who is from this region. Let the Naga people with our history to the whole world. The world have now recognized Naga as a people, as a community, and as a nation because of the leaders who is from this area. Since 1997, with the signing of ceasefire, Nagas and Government of India have been negotiating for peaceful Naga solution. Our Naga leaders representing the Nagas in the movement have been recognized as leader of the Nagas representing the entire Naga community. That's why Government of India have invited our leaders and talk is going on. But we all know the Indian system, that we need to prove that our Naga leader, who represents Nagas in the talks, have the support of the Naga people. But according to Indian system, the legitimate voice of the people are those who are elected as today we are talking about the election. The Naga people will decide whether we are supporting the Naga peace talk or not, whether we are with the talks or not. For more than 22 years, talk is going on. But in this part of the countries where Nagas are, have we given the verdict? Have we shown to the world that we support Naga peace talk, that we want Naga solution? Akwai Naga solution pamdaba mi leiramai ko. I think we all support Naga peace talk, isn't it? We want Naga solution, isn't it? But have you given your verdict that you support Naga peace process and Naga talks, that you want Naga solution? Have we Naga people have given our support in true sense? In this part of the country, our people have not given yet. Ako'y support P3. Naga haiba mayam ase Naga solution pamdaba mi leite. Adubo election ga hauzik chathriba Naga talks ga kari meri leina bano habisi khangdaba yam leibagi damakta. Akhoi Naga talk support tawrabasu election lakpa kandadi akoi naga talks bu support tawgdaba party aduga naga talks bu support tawgdaba misak adu akoi khandri khara khatang khalagalai akoi ukhrul acidigi anirak ti khanikre Samuel Rishon after Lake Hidroba ko yamba Denishaza Assembly da Lakpakanda Naga People's Front Mari Khaktang Naga Oina Uwe because we represent our Naga cause. Atay Naga Leirabusu Makoy Naga Gidamakta represent Topani Haina Pritibina Laude Ngang Sungang Bangamde Ibsungamde Maram Krino Haraga Magi party aduna decision lau khibagi wang ma da chatpa kana sungamde adu India ga chagna bini. It is Indian system that once a person become a party member of a particular party, unless the party decides, the elected member cannot give his independent decision. Aduna mi afaba kyamarum akoina khallabusu mana yobo party aduna akoina apamba phongdok nangai tanja do pibi dradi phongdok pangamde Manipura Karamba party Naga gi talk adu support tauba Naga gi solution purak pa pamba Karamba party de party amasulete except NPF. Yes, NPF laktringe mamang dadi talk taudriba matam dadi ashigumba support tauba darkal laktaba matam dadi akoi mana apamaduda chalamba matam leirami adubo ngasidi akoi naga haiba punamak naga gi talk adu akoi support tauba loilana solution purak pa pami habisi naga punamakta haiba matam lakpagi damakta naga gi issue based candidate adubo support tauba tangai phade haina lakpani election matam lakpakanda issue based hai langtarga di kautho e haiba mayam so media ki amrum so koi thinai adubo akhoi gi naga gi party si akhoi gi constitution itself tagi yam sengna thamme haraga changki badina India government na akhoi kadai da lepi habidu khangi when late Danish Haiza was elected as issue-based candidate. I was also with him as MLA, issue-based MLA, representing Tamil AC. We met Dr. Manmohan Singh, 7 of us in Delhi. He said, we need your support, especially the representatives who represents the people, whom we call it the legitimate representative of the people. I'm so happy that you have come forward on behalf of your people in support of the Naga peace talk. We will sincerely find solution haina hai. Ngasi India government na aduga khoi gi Naga leadership na talk to bakanda Naga sing talk to support the way habasi akoi representative get through the haibasi darkar lakpakanda akoi support to bidradi ngasi akoi gi mahut oina ngasi talks na lucheng chaliba du ai naga gi represent to buni habidu ma chinthi bataga dawri our leader went to the world. Our leader went to the whole country in the world with our Naga history. With his head held high, proud of our Naga history. Government of India invited our Naga leaders for talks. He talked to the counterpart, to the India representatives and the talks with our history and with his head held high. But our Naga publics have made our Naga leaders drop his head in shame because our Naga representatives in this part of the country have given our message on behalf of all of you that we don't support Naga peace talk. Adu already Naga gi leader khoi luching ba oina chaliba khoi leader du mangak ngang khallaga yamna thauna leina akhoi gi damak ta kramain lebu dawri akhoi na mabu pangan pi da bida mabu ikai handuna ngasi akhoi Naga gi talks adu asumai na chathari talk lakpa matung da di issue based election lakpa kanda we expect all of you to elect issue based candidate, and also after the MPF have come to Manipur, we expect our people of this area to give them uncontested. The other Naga peoples in the other part of the region, other part of the state, expect you to give MPF candidate uncontested. After the solution, there may be hundreds of candidates. It will not affect our history, it will not affect our position. But this time, as long as the talk is going on, your decision going to make a lot of difference. Election di mahausani haina lobigno. Ngasi asida khoi lakpa mahutta. People from Tamenglong, people from Sarnapati, people from Chandal, expect all of you to come and tell us to elect for NPF. Because you are our leaders. I know that Tangkhul peoples are disciplined people. They respect the leaders. That's why our four leaders, in spite of denying ticket to them, they are coming forward in support of our candidates. But publics, what are you going to decide? Do you want our leaders to drop their head in shame because of our decision in the election? Because we elect the party who is going to say no to Naga talks? When the world questioned our leaders, you said you are representing Naga people, but your people are not supporting you. What our leader is going to answer? Can the other parties come openly and say we support Naga peace talk? No. They will not. They have not for last 20 years. Akwai handak chatliba tamasida. Government si form tomina si haina bang loi raba matungda. Chief Minister was swearing taurage haiba numit adugi ayuk tuda. Akwai NPF ki leaders singbo. Hauzik government form taw dangai hot na bada. Muru oiba leader oina leiramba leader duna khoi bu kawi. Akhoi ki problem le rahe. Government form taw ki problem le rahe. Ai aduga khoi ki General Secretary Honroi khoi aduga few other party leaders akhoi chatpane. Karam bamaram gino. Kari tawbagi problem lay buno lay re hai buno hai bukanda. Nakhoi NPF ki constitution da. Nakhoi ki ahanba pata naga punna labor adugi wakhan aduga adugi apambadu naga People's Front na support tawni hana iye. Aduga loinana naga peace talks su nakhoi support tawni naga ki solution adu purak nangai naga ki political issue adu nakhoi support tawni hana iye. Adugi maramna atopa party di asisi yaning de. Aina kudak ta khumani mohoi yaning drdi to ona. Problem le haradi mohogi problem na khogi problem na te. Akhoi di naga people's ki sentiment. Naga people's na apam the represent ovni. India si democracy chanabadugumba country ni. Tongan ba dol mayam na mana ma pa apam ba phondok to lei. Mama ki jatti ki apam ba phondok laga lei. Naga People's Front na duga naga sing na di akhoi na apam do phondok pa yara yade harabadi akhoi problem laite. It's up to them whether we form government or not. Aina haining badi akhoi naga People's Front ge constitution de iriba asi prithvi na khang. Akhoi naga People's Front ge constitution de iriba adu gi sentiment du purga ngasi Manipur Legislative Assembly chang. From the very beginning, from day one, we made our position very clear. The world knows it. Adubu, we're only 4 of us. Other 7 are against Naga peace talk. When they come home, they may say, we support Naga peace talk. But in the platform where they stand, they said, we don't support. Asigi, ACDG, Assembly Constituency, Kab Emelena, Assembly the High Kibum se Noitaram regarding Naga peace talk. He have made his position very clear. But I'm surprised that Naga youths who will be our future are still with him. Denying them our own people. Akhoi youth sing. Matung manaw da akhoi na leader oirakadaba akhoi. Ngasi tok toriba asi Naga youth tung manaw da lakadaw basing ginaw toriba akhoi. Akhoi na asi support tawgi mahutta. Akhoi di tawde hana chalabadi akhoi future kadai chagadawri. Prithvi na di akhoi bu yamna ikai khumna yengduna ngasi Naga peoples mayamna Naga talk asi soidana support tawgni hana expect tawraga lebuga loinana ngasi prithvi na akhoi Naga punamag asi Naga talks ki damakta lepa party bu elect tawba mokhoi miyam pammi. mi kaya farambuyay ay sing kaya oirban mi oirambuyay adubo mana yawba party duna ako'y nagagi interest nagagi sentiment adu respect pidradi magi masagi apabudunadi kedongay dasu nangi damakta lepik do banati aduna ako'y na lek tawriba kaya marumasi nangi sentiment adu sok doba nang bupamdaba nang napamdaba do represent tawrag layasi ako'y realize to da duna ngasi fobla po si. It's time to realize. It's time to realize. Let the solution come first. And let there be candidates from every locality. It wouldn't affect us anymore. Aduba handak asidi aroibos oibusuyay. Ako ki future ti decide daw basi handak ki tam oigni hay basi mayam khanbiyo. Nangi khanang chanaba imung thok pa kya maram su leiram bayay. Adu warabusu mayam gi future gi damakta mayam pulmak gi damakta ngasidi naga peace talk adu support taw doba party adu da mayam support taw biyo hay basi mayam da khrum zarga ni jabani. Ako'y assembly dasu naga People's Front ke constitution si kanagumba honorable member manasu pato miyam khanglam gani naga People's Front asikadai da lepe habisu pato krabane assembly da adu ko loina na ngasai su egi momang da su panbikre ADC bill puthok pakanda kanagumadi credit law na yam hot nei ko honorable members they try to take credit for the ADC proposed bills but have their party taken a resolution in support of the ADC bills magi party na support towe haibadu leitrabdi mana sida ngang ibadu prajasing bo blap tawri decision si first party di lakdawni. This is the democracy, type of democracy, a kind of democracy, the system in India. Ado ako'y chinaw tangkol singbo adu gumba adu na misli tawra leirabdi ako'y nakatay kaday no. We live with the hope under your leadership. We live with your hope that one day we would be like any people in the world, advanced communities, advanced people. But when you are confused, we have to be confused. Other people in other parts will be confused. I know you are not confused. I know you are not confused because our leaders are from you, your parents, your children's. Mahoy bo ikai bo piroisi. Naga na naga masabo masyen bo ikai bo piroisi. Matam le, matam khuding da issue based hana la oe. Ngasi talk to riba do da ko support dar kan lebi damakta issue based hana la ko giwani. Ngasi ako'y na confused or ako'y na confused or like kradi. Ako'y atopan naga sing di kaday check ni. Nako'y na luching ba do tazar ga ako'y di hingi binine. Ako'y bo nako'y luching do na lay bagi hope to da. Nong ma di ako'y sud nong hay ba punsi oy gani hay na. Lak binine. Assembly da ako'y naga gi history naga gi apam badu ako'y phondo e. Maramdi ako'y luching ba ma lay bagi damakta ako'y akiba lay na hay bani. Luching do nako'y ni. Nako'y bo luching ibani. Ako ito pa nakasing di. Nako'y na ako'y bo luching bigim khadang. Charli bani habis kaubi kana. ngasi nangi relationship ki amrum leiram gani nang na laman ton ki ba ki amrum su leiram gani adubo adu gumba laman ton ba nangi damakta kari gumba achauba mateng pi ki ba dudi nongba amuka nang pi ba matam lakani adubo handakti ngasidi akoy naga podamak ki future, not only the future of the Tangkhuls but the future of the other Nagas and the tribals. Even the other non-Nagas are giving us moral support. They were expecting Naga people to elect Naga People's Front to bring peace not only in our area but also in the entire world. We are no small people. Don't think that we cannot do anything. We can do a lot. We have opened the eyes of the many peoples in the country, even though we are only 4 of us. If 10 of us comes, there will be a lot difference. So many communities like ours are looking at Naga people to lead them. Akoy bo expect orga lay ba country kya marum lay. Ngasi Honorable MP lay. Honorable MP Naga People's Front represent over Mahakpo. India da sigom laba awahaba community kya marum na. Makoy bo luching binangay expect orga lay. Akoy makoy miyam gidamakta lep na lay bani. Akoy Naga People's Front. Hoy akoy chakiba matamda kya marum akoy yason ba nakoy na pamda ba kya marum lay rambayay. Adu ba handakti akoy miyam bo kahan bada. Akoy gi agenda khakta natana. Praja seba to bada akoy awa ba laytana akoy mayam bo seba to ke. Mayam akoy punamak handakti amuk kasuk hanta biraga. NPF candidate ado. Khan biyu ramoy ba elect tawbani haidana tawbigano. But nangi future ge damakta nang bot handakti thada gadori ya do khan biyu. Habisi ay miyam da khurum jarga ni jani bane. Yes, akoy election ka ba matungda. Mayam gi kana ba kari tawba ngam gudra habisi akoy tawbe. Aduga loina na mayambu akoy ikaiba piroi akoy na tawriba punamak ase ngasi NPF marina tawriba punamak ase akoy leader singbo akoy policy matter da tanarga tawriba ni ngasi akoy mimari khakta oirabasu prithvi na akoy bo yengduna lay habise akoy mayam ningsing biyo handaki election March 5 anumitto da Naga singkari decide to udra haina prithvi na khoido yengdana lay habisi akoy election gi wani haina lobby gno nong yum halak pakanda prathna ga loina na khambi karamba mi yengda prithvi na India na khoibo yengi bra habidu yengbiyo akoy gi leader sing akoy go luchinga ga chahi kyamarum umangda leifam khangpham chafam khangdana akoy bo luching lakpa singbo ngasi prithvi na akoy bo tanja pige han thorpa matamda mokoy bo ikai bo piroisi mokoy bo ikai bo pignusi ngasi di mayam punamak thok pire harga nasagi damak nang decide tori bani not for Ramoiba, not for MPF. You are deciding for yourself. You are deciding your future. Akoy luching ba hansi jahi kya akoy bungai dana lekadra mi oibugi punsi si matam nai bani akoy luching ba du na ngasi matam leiringe da tori ba do khoy mayam support piraga naga gi future si decide tor si habisi mayam da ekhrum zaraga mayam bo ei kok nun thorga mayam bo ekhrum zabani akoy bo na khoy na luchingi bani habidu kawbi gno board khudi bakse naga pun makki decision piri bini habido kawbi gno ai haptrabasu ai tawdrabasu kana gum leida haina su khan bi gno na khoi yum halak bakanda family worship ta akhoi gi damat su ning sing di akhoi ramoi ba gi khak ta na te chingai gi su phongyer gi su tamenglong gi su tamai gi su chendel gi su tenopol gi su mau karong tadubi gi su na khoi gi pratna da chanbi duna ning sing di nang ai ngasidi krambo punsi akhoi future khanjera habisi khan gdori badu kumba election ne hana lobi NPF sing missing yamna MLA kaning gi haibanate na khoi khangi ai gumbana na khoi butambi gdo banate ngasi ai su candidate amane ai gi kendra da ai changdaba ai nomination file to bognium numit aduga with akhoi ge scrutiny to numit natna ai kendra mu changdri thani su do lahana sigi meeting da ai lakta basi district atopada kariguma program ma gi chaki ai kendra ai chatte akhoi din khoi laga khoi bu tambi ba ngai du na le na khoi na khoi bu luching ba khak tana tana akhoi laga si to do bani handak ti hai bu na khoi na hai bi na ngai khoi ngai raga le adu bu ngasi asida sumaina na khoi ba khoi tak pi raga le radi naga ga dai chak do bu no naga sing khak tana te whole tribals, even Meiteis, they are expecting Naga people to lead them. Peace Burakpa Kaktanate. Akhoi gumna, Mohoi, Leibangamde. No Mohoi gum, Akhoi gumba party Mohoi, later. Aduna, Tongan Tongama party the Upai later na Chalabasu. Akhoi Naga people singbo Naga people's front gi platform da ponamak po luching binanawa mayam mokhoi wakhan na khalaga khoibo yengduna lei habisi kaubi gno please na khoi magi phamdagi thokpi raga akhoi tongan ba kendra da Naga gi kendra singda akhoi gi candidate thadok na leibo mafam da masa gi angamo puthona raga support to biyo mina paisa yelaga khoi yenangai leite akhoi di future akhoi decide to se habagi asigi khulauga nokhoi meyam khurumna tana mina nangi vote yedama go piba gomna akhoi di pibidi ngamai adubo kaubi gno you are deciding your future in this election. How long our leaders will live? How long the world will give us chance? Let us not wait anymore. This may be your last chance, my last chance. The whole Nagas are expecting you. The whole Nagas are following you. It is not for us to come and tell you what to do. It is you who are leading us. If you have taken the wrong decision, where will the rest of the Naga will go? Please, future Gidamakta, Nakhogi Kaksu Sunate, for us also, Akhogi Su Khanbiraga, NPF Khanbiyo. Mayampun Magpo, Matam PV Gidamakta, Tagatsari Aduga, Mamagiyum Lakpada, Halakpada. Please tell your neighbors also to pray for us, to pray for all the 10 candidates. And please take a day or two out to other candidates also. Please lead us. Please teach us what to do. We are expecting you. Not only expecting you, we are following you. If you take a wrong step, the whole Nagas will go wrong. Please remember that. God has blessed the Tangkhul community. God has anointed the Tangkhul community to lead not only Nagas, but to tell the world what is peace. The whole Northeast are expecting our Tangkhul leaders to bring peace in the entire region, to bring justice in the entire regions, to bring social harmony, political justice, and economic justice under your leadership. Please remember this. Please remember in your prayer. Please extend this humble prayer to your neighborhood also. Thank you so much.
Takachari, koiki kai kunjaraba Minister Ongbao Nimai Bashuyam Takachari for the amazing and the inspirational speech. Now, we'll have benediction, which will be led by Rupan Nyangya, Catechist, Mary Help of Christian Catholic Church, Krut. Because when Atang Kangda, are we Dong and a reason the mission ground gender that some time say. I hope you won't mind walking down till mission ground. The public will follow you at the back and drop you till there.
Ngajang sang khwai khik sa sa sei kasingli khlei kasa khwa irum sai korana nali masot mili nali ning kashi mili program sai kor hi migumo nang ran ka hai ne kha athem the khang sak kapning chung khang sak chia pro noi tem sak nei chuwang nali ning shi madaya aj ramwi wawi program campaign hili rasang khaya irum sai korli pro nan so milo o sai kori hi na pangli khlena na gazang dharan irum sai kor o sa shabe migumo ining pning na ji khoi tum khoi khama saram ne kho pro them sak na je itum o sai kor ungshung re sa shabre aj ngatwain hopokla arui ra shungda ayar wa na ung gazang kalo jam we ba na matha lagai na kashok gazang ji matui mi sar hai re ngana ngai sho nei matang sak ngai me nei matui sak ngai sho nei kho pro madai la kai na itum sai corona nali ka po nei khangana kasha kathai hai na tang hai kho ot ma sa kho on nam on ma rai athel mam them re kha ko khil ma sam phang re jaina ra sang de khle sai corona sha ko khwi ngana khwi khwa tu shu da khwi kan khana hi thei la ga osab ara no ka ji chuwang sa sa da bodale arui osaba gi de khle ram wi wang kathana ping na ka chung kham tu mi hai re arui date 5 mrar khain dang da osaba gi jina pro na kathana ping sai ko li so mi da malung khanem ta kui ka hai la mi lo miling a kui gde malung khane mai nang kui la ga campaign ka zai na phama ka tha ping na la thei sing kui ji leng sak da mi ka chung kham rum sang ra no ka ji hi chuwang la sa sa da bodale o sai ko hi pro na pangli le hau gi da nama ka zang jia itung khoi khama saramana o chui mi komo mirin hi kaping kapang ain osa kha malung khawat ain osa kha itum milimang kuiramana kha pro na malung khanem thang khamai awal je mi da awiwang osa mi da khlai sai korali na ka so mi lo ka ji hi chiwang la sa sa da podale ara itum na program sai ko hi singagi gi sai ko kup sang hai re pro ni ni silage Prona itumli than kami ne itumi yau ko hom ne itumli abama bomo na simli chingrai na thanra kami ta kamai na itumli simli mung sung rang khain dang da prona na homong milo kachung milo da itum sai porwi saha ka sa na adam gi da pro homing jina khwiya te kham jeng sa chingran no amen
Yarwina, it's a time to me. Mohon the mission ground and that's some time you say.